Before I start the video, let me share a few heartfelt words. I know everything is happening so fast, and before you even have time to process it, you're already on a flight. The job market isn't great. There's a lot of negativity on social media. You're going far from your family, and that weighs on your heart. Thoughts about education loans, academics, and all the sacrifices your parents made for you keep running through your mind. All these thoughts and self-doubt must be taking up all your mental space. But you tell me, in this poor job market, what's the best place if not college? You tell me, in such a huge economy, you're graduating. Will things really change after this? You tell me, in your own home, will you be happy and successful? You tell me, what else could your parents wish for if not your success? Masters D. It's a lonely journey, and it's in those hardest moments that you'll realize you're stronger than your self-doubts. Nothing will change overnight, guys. Consistent efforts every single day will make a difference. In life, just like your last degree, make the most out of your college experience and go after that dream job. I'm rooting for each one of you with all my heart. All the best, guys. And for the last 3 years, I've worked with the biggest education consulting firms in India. Now, my mission is to help prospective students like you make informed choices in your study abroad journey. I will post the next 100 videos for our Telugu community covering the entire study abroad process. In return, I have a favor to ask you guys to subscribe. It's a small thing for you, but it will make a lot of difference for me. First, let's see what are some of the things that are better in the US. Number 1, winter clothes. Whatever you may have experienced in India, it's nothing compared to what you'll face in the US. If you go to the southern states, it's not a big deal, but in the north, it's really cold. For those going to the east coast or west coast, no matter how good a jacket you buy in India, it won't be enough. So buy your jackets and winter boots there itself. Walmart, Costco, or if you want something cheaper, Burlington, Columbia. These are the brands available, so look for good deals among them and buy there. Number 2, blankets and sheets. For the starting days, just bring 1 thin blanket, 1 bed sheet, and 1 or 2 pillow covers. After that, buy ones there that fit your mattress correctly. Number 3, mobile and laptop. If you already have an old laptop, make sure its specifications match the recommended configuration given by the university, because you'll have to do all your assignments on it. If it doesn't match, then get a new laptop from home itself. If you can wait until December, there will be Black Friday sales, and you'll find a lot of discounts on all electronics then. If you can't wait until then, some companies also offer student discounts. The staff at local electronics outlets will also guide you. All you have to do is ask. If you don't ask, no one will tell you. Wherever you go, the first thing you should do after landing is get a SIM card and a bank account, and also apply for a credit card. Many banks even offer a signing bonus, like $200 cash back. So by using one card, you can order digital products online. Just like we have Flipkart and Amazon, here they have Best Buy and Walmart. These are commonly used. But if you want to buy cheap electronics, don't get too excited. The power outlets there are different, so you'll need a voltage converter for them, which is quite a hassle. Alright, now let's look at the packing list. Number 1, documents. Whatever you take with you, the one thing you absolutely must not forget is any documents. There are plenty of Indian stores there. Things are a bit more expensive than in India, but the only thing you absolutely must not forget are your documents. In the description below, you'll find the entire packing list PDF. For the documents, make 2 pages of photocopies. For each document, organize them in a file and keep them with you. Don't forget this. All the documents, also leave 2 extra photocopies with your parents. Now, reading out the entire list here isn't possible. Just go to the description and check the PDF. Number 2, clothing. So what items you need to take, in what quantities, and all my favorite brand links are added in the PDF. This is the quantity you should take. Also, if you're going from India to the West Coast or East Coast, make sure to pack more jeans and winter wear if you're heading to the East Coast. And about clothes, you should consider whether to buy them here or in the US. A lot of people have this one big doubt, so I've summarized it simply. If you want branded clothes, then buy them in the US. If not, if you want something budget friendly, then buy them here. Number 3, kitchenware and food items. Don't waste your luggage space by packing a lot of kitchenware. Just 1 pressure cooker, 1 pan for breakfast, for making things like omelets or instant dosa, it will be very useful. And take 1 medium-sized kadai and 1 large kadai for making curry. That's enough. Honestly, if you have friends, you won't even need much kitchenware. If you ever run short of anything, just ask, and you can borrow those items from others. But here comes the big problem when we go to the US. Every story's climax is full of twists, suspense, and one blow after another. Friends, there are many people who trusted others, went so far, and ended up regretting it. So it's always better to watch out for yourself. It's better to keep our things safe because even if you move to another place, you'll still need them. And regarding food items, my friends personally suggested that it's best to keep items that will last for about 15 to 20 days. If you're getting masala items or anything else, even if you're getting those things, make sure they're only sealed packets, not unsealed ones. One time, my friend was carrying a packet of salt and the immigration officers thought it might be drugs. They opened it, tested it, asked questions, and only then let him go. So to avoid all that tension, don't carry things like rice, salt, flour or anything like that. Especially don't carry any white colored substances. Below I've included the link from the Transportation Security Administration for your reference. If you have any specific item you're unsure about whether you can carry it or not, open the link and check it out. Number 5. Personal products and medicine. Even if you're carrying regular medicines, you must have a valid prescription with you at all times. This is clearly mentioned on their website. If you have any issues like dry skin, sensitivity or other skin problems and you use specific Indian homegrown products here in India, if you need them, make sure to bring them along. As for international products, if you're already using them, you'll find them there too, like Isara, Cetaphil and so on. But when it comes to Indian homegrown products, you can find them, but they're a bit expensive. So while you're still in India, get a full body test done to find out if you have any deficiencies. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions such as chronic asthma, a thyroid disorder, or any other similar ongoing health issues that require regular medication, it is absolutely crucial to plan ahead. You should make every effort to secure at least a 3-month and ideally a 4-month supply of all your necessary prescription medications. This extended supply will provide you with a vital buffer period as you adjust to your new environment and navigate the complexities of the American healthcare system. It is imperative that you bring these medications with you when you travel and arrive in the United States. The healthcare system in the United States is notoriously expensive, and the costs associated with medical care, even for routine visits or minor emergencies, can be astronomically high. Many individuals, even those with stable employment, find it incredibly challenging to afford adequate and comprehensive medical care without proper insurance coverage. Therefore, it is of paramount importance that you prioritize obtaining robust health insurance coverage as soon as you possibly can after your arrival. This insurance will serve as a critical financial safeguard against unforeseen medical expenses. Furthermore, for common and often unavoidable health issues that can arise, such as the common cold, a fever, or a persistent cough, it is highly advisable to consult with your doctor in your home country before you depart. Obtain a comprehensive doctor's prescription for all the necessary over-the-counter and prescription tablets that are commonly used to treat these ailments. Having these medications readily available will save you significant time, effort, and potential expense once you're in the US, as obtaining prescriptions and purchasing medicines can be a more involved process. I will compile and include a detailed list of recommended medicines, along with their generic and brand names and their typical uses, in a comprehensive PDF document that you can refer to.